Today I am going to share you how to install Comodo or Positive SSL on your website uh, using Namecheap. So I already active the SSL, but right now I just show you how can you do easily. Okay, so first of all you have to click on go to the SSL certificate. If I go to the SSL certificate, okay, then you will get like this. Okay, your status will be pending or progress, something like that, and then you just uh, click on the okay I can click on the details, but you will get the details option by default, and here you will get the manage option. Just click on the change. Then you will see two options, automatic SSL and manage SSL. So I select this one, server side automation, and next. Okay, so I have cPanel access, so I downloaded this code. The code name is SSL manager PSP, which I already uploaded. So let me show you. If I go to the public underscore HTML, and here you will see the SSL manager PSP. So that's actually I downloaded here, SSL manager PSP, and I upload like this way. Select file and SSL manager and open. So if you click on the open, it automatically start update. Okay, so after update, then what actually you did? Okay, so you just go to your uh, Namecheap panel, and you see here a link. You just click on this link, and you see my SSL is already running. Actually activate, but if you are not running, then you will get an option like token. Okay, where you will get token, you see if I scroll down little bit, you see a token. You just click on the copy and upload the token here, and just click on the active, then your SSL will be activated. Okay, now my SSL is activated, and let's see my SSL is working or not. Sometime it may take few minutes to hours to activate. Okay, I think I need few times, but my status is okay. uh, Let me remove this and try now. Yeah, I think we need time to active the SSL, and but in this uh, page we see SSL manager is running, and here also we see the SSL is activated on our Namecheap panel. So like this way you can active your positive SSL on your WordPress website using cPanel. Thanks.